Hey guys, Troy here. This is Champion by Bryan and Katie Torwalt. I'm a little late to the game on this one. It was a request that I had recently, so I took a listen to it, read through the lyrics, really liked it a lot, and then listened to the guitar parts and stuff, and decided to go ahead and tackle it. I really like the bridge guitar part. Super fun. It's kind of jumpy. It's got some life to it, so really enjoyed playing that part. And obviously the lyrics to the song are pretty special. And what I like about this is it highlights that Jesus made a way when there wasn't a way, and that it really illuminates for us that we need to become desperate before the Lord to understand what salvation means. We need to understand that apart from Him there is no hope of eternal life. There is no hope of reconciliation to the Father. And to understand our desperate condition before the Lord makes our gratitude and our worship of Him that much greater, because we know what we are saved from, and now we know what we are saved to: worship, to eternal life with God. And it's just very special. So this song celebrates that, and I really enjoy it. So this is Champion by Bryan and Katie Torwalt.
Verse. Verse. Chorus. Chorus. Instrumental. Bridge. Bridge.